are now streaming live.
Let's see here. No, I don't see anything on YouTube yet. It's under Urban Genius CEO.
Yeah.
There it is. Streamed 22 hours ago. No, that's not it. Live now. All right, cool.
Got it?
You got it. Got it like it's hot.
All right, here's that UJ. UJ, that spike that I was showing with the stop punt. So I
Yeah.
got in up there on that spike for the sell. And he immediately fell into profit.
Nice.
So what I'll be doing here is now, as you see, I drug my take profit down here to the ADR low, which is the expected range today. And if up here we can see that the low is 44 pips away. So if I hit my target, I know without a doubt I just bagged 44 pips.
Man, since not 7:15, 5:15 last night, she's been trending like literally just ranging all night. Holy crap!
Oh yeah, she's been ranging like crazy. That's what told me the fall was coming. That range right here is actually what told me the fall was coming. That range and the dollar ranging.
Yeah.
What told me that fall was coming.
Hey, hop over to the US 30 for a quick sec.
All right, here we go.
Let's go down to the 30-minute chart.
Got it.
There you go. Now I'm in on a sell on that. I got in a little high. It's breaking down. It's going to continue to go down. If anybody wanted to get in, they could get in around the 140 mark.
About 26, 140?
26, 140, yeah. She's going to continue to push down.
All right, let me put a sell limit in here.
You see that night, that gorgeous evening star up top, or morning star? Evening star, yeah. There you go. Now watch her tank the fuck out. And I'm gonna
the major players said they all reported low earnings, didn't they?
Mm-hmm. And not only that, if you take a look at the sectors, go right back to home here. On this is wrong. Whoop, wrong place. Whoops. Dow 30, and you take a look at all the components. They're all pretty much in the negative. Like they're all red. You got like 4 components out of 30 that are positive. So,
so that's not going to be strong enough.
No, that's going to push her right down today.
Especially if those 4 don't have any volume.
Exactly. Telegram. No, that's not what I wanted. Where am I going with this here? When you got too many screens up, you're like, where am I looking? What am I looking for? I can't remember. Damn it.
Yeah, you'd be like, hold on, what pair was I going to?
Yeah. Let's see. Here, I'm going to post the YouTube channel here in the chat in case anyone hops on late.
So I just re-entered all of my trades, and these are the ones I'm going to hold. I'm going long on the pound USD, short on UJ. Ooh, look at Euro. Sheesh.
Ooh, snap. Actually, that's fantastic for me. So, you remember, I had posted 3 trades. I posted the Euro NZD and the CAD JPY in the Telegram group. The Euro New Zealand trade was a double up, just because believe it to be going down like crazy.
That's
And
Euro New Zealand.
yeah, in Euro New Zealand, and she's tanking out right now, starting to move.
Good.
Do you have the Euro New Zealand up? No.
No, I know the New Zealand should be gaining some strength, so I definitely agree with that, and that's why I took that sell on Aussie New Zealand. So the euro is really going to be unaffected. I think the pound's really going to take the volatility today in the UK.
Yeah.
That's why we're seeing. That's why we saw the euro tank like that, but the pound didn't move.
Yeah. I'm okay with the pound. I'm okay with. Well, I'm okay with
I'm
everything.
okay with the
tank.
euro tanking as long as the pound doesn't tank, because I'm long on the pound.
I'm okay with the Dow tanking.
I'm okay.
So I got the Dow open. I got CAD JPY open. I got Euro New Zealand open. That's on that account. What else did I got open here? Fuck, too many accounts.
Yeah.
I have a couple old trades that are still running. New Zealand CHF, I got running. That's
Okay,
been.
you remember how I told you that 15-minute candle was going to be the one to tell us what the deal is on some of these pairs?
Yeah.
All right, here's that 15-minute on UJ. When this 15-minute on UJ closes, we should see some real major action on this last 15 minutes to close this hour out. Before we go into 9 o'clock, 9:30, because 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock is when the real volume's in the market.
Yeah.
The real U.S. volume comes in between 9 and 10. Usually 10:30 at the latest after the equities volume's released.
Yep. As soon as the 9:30 bell opens, everything starts to goes crazy. Oh, I already have Facebook open. What the hell am I doing here? Anybody got any comments on YouTube? No, negative. Okay. Telegram. Nope. Okay. We have anybody in the on the website watching?
Possibly. We can't really tell if they're there though.
Mm. Yeah, we need to. Yeah, we'll brainstorm some ideas there on Friday. There, you said you're free Friday.
Yeah, I'm free on Friday.
All right, let's book in a time right now. What time's good with you?
Friday. Let's do. We can actually do the same time.
8 a.m.
Yeah, same time we normally meet. It'll just be me and you.
All right, sounds good. All right, booked in.
Remember, did you take that pound CHF trade I called earlier this week? I actually took profit, but that thing's been going up.
Pound CHF? No, I didn't take that one.
I had took profit. It already hit my target, but I should have held it.
Pound USD is going up nicely, though. I'm watching that on my screen here too.
Here's that 15-minute candle on UJ I was talking about. It gave us a nice doji, nice long wick doji.
Gorgeous.
Right at the end of consolidation, so I know she's gonna tank.
Oh, she broke that trend hard. She's breaking it good, eh?
Yeah, she's gonna tank. I want to say right at this hour right here, this last 15 minutes, she should be coming all the way down. She's crashing through that trend line right there in the Asian range.
That's on what, the hour chart? Let me.
Yeah, just the hour.
Let's go down to the 30-minute here. Oh yeah, she's gonna tank right out. 15-minute charts bearish. 30 minutes.
30 minutes of doji. Once she crosses over red, she's not coming back on that 30 minutes.
No, you'll have 4 straight bearish candles there. Oh yeah, gorgeous.
So So yeah, technically everything hit really. Everything really hit this week. It just that some trades just took longer to play out than others. But everything, the accuracy in the group is unmatched.
The accuracy, what do you mean?
Just our accuracy on being able to decipher the direction of the trades.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
The direction and the technical analysis in the group is unmatched.
That's what we want. We want people to succeed and make money, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. UJ. She's actually on step 2. If you zoom out to on the 30-minute, you can. I've been looking at your steps there. I can see step 2.
Yep, I see it now too. Glad you point. I didn't even notice that on the. I see it on the 1 hour. If you look here on the 1 hour,
Yeah.
you can see it here. The step. You can see the clear 2 steps on the 30-minute. It almost looks like three steps already.
Yeah, it looks like 3 steps, but that one, I don't know. That's kind of a.
This is really all one level right here. Just looks funny.
Yeah, it's a little funky.
That's technically one level because look at the bottom and the top all in the same area.
Yeah. Yeah. So step 3, she's gonna drop.
And watch this. From this drop to this level is 497. From there to there. Now from here to here should be around 497 too, around 500. So we should look for an extension drop of about, we should get another about 30, 40 pips to the downside. Well, yeah, 40 pips to the downside will take us right to our ADR low. Well, 58.
58 pips, yeah. Beautiful.
And that's where that's my target, which of course is just 2 levels of this same move here.
Yeah. 2 equal moves.
Yep.
Or 3 equal
So that's
segments.
about 1,000. If you break it down, divided by 3 levels, that gives you about 35 to 40 pips per level.
Nice.
I know. I tell people you don't need to be a rocket scientist. You don't have to know any math to trade. But if you can do calculations like that in your head, you can really get these ranges down pat, like the back of your hand.
And then you got an ATM in your pocket.
Exactly.
Euro USD tanking out. Okay. She hasn't hit that entry zone yet that I was calling out yesterday. Pound USD. She's in her own world there.
Yeah, she's in her own right now. Waiting on May.
Yeah, waiting on May there right now. She actually hit the R1 level and kind of bounced back if you go into the 30-minute chart. Oh, you don't have your pivots up?
Let's see. Right here. Yeah, actually she did. She just bounced off R1.
Yeah. Bounced off R1, came back down.
If this 15-minute candle closes below this 200, we might push down. I just want to see a push up.
It's still above my 100 and my 50 EMA, so I still see it being bullish for now. If I zoom out to the 2-hour chart, I still got bullish indications on my end here too.
Okay, good deal. I think this hour,
However,
9 to 10 o'clock hour is really going to be the mover.
Oh yeah. If you zoom out to the 2-hour chart on the pound USD though, do you have a 2-hour? No way.
No, I don't.
But that's a hell of a pin bar on the 2-hour chart. Holy crap.
Yeah, I'm looking at it on the hour too. One hell of a pin bar.
Yeah, man.
There's 2 pins to the high on. It's almost like tweezer tops on the hour chart.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah. But she's still holding above my I think my red is my 100. I should really color code these better. Is that 100 or 2? Yeah, I'm just talking to myself, people. Don't worry about me. I'm okay, I swear. Green is 50, red is 100. Okay, okay, we're good. Cancel. Okay, there we go. But yeah, it's below below the 200 too as well. Let's see what else. USD CHF. She's pushing up a bit, but I do see it coming back down. No one wants to see that that Swiss push up.
Yeah, nobody wants to see that over $1.
No. History. Excellent. Okay, what else we got? Aussie USD.
I think Aussie USD is going to continue to consolidate a little more.
Yeah, she's not really doing jack shit, eh? Like she's up and down, but it's just wonky.
Sideways, yeah, real sideways. Look at the daily, the weekly. The weekly's in a range.
Oh yeah, that's a tiny ass range too, eh? Yeah, weekly. Let's go zoom into the daily. I have a sell limit in place up at the 72-100 level, but
That's
nowhere near
Aussie USD.
Aussie USD. Yeah, that's right. I have a channel drawn out if you on the 4-hour daily chart, and that's right at the top of the channel. So I'm just kind of waiting for it to hit that resistance and that channel lines and drop down. New Zealand USD. I'm still in a sell on that. I've been riding that sucker down for a while. Loving that trade. I had gotten in.
Yeah, you got in like last week, right?
Oh yeah, I got in last week there, so I got in right at the top. So I'm taking that right down to 66. Yeah, 66. Way the fuck down there. USD.
Okay,
I guess I
can
can
go. We're finna move.
getting some moves on the US.
Yeah, we're finna get it. We're finna get it. I think we hit it dead on the money.
Money, money, money.
Dead on the money.
That's what I like.
ECHF should take that fall. CAD should take that. I think this is all gonna happen right at 9 o'clock.
Let's see here. What do we got? Where's our news on the calendar?
Is there any news that comes out at 9?
That's what I'm taking a look at right now. Nope, nothing till 10:30 now.
Okay, the market might react to that 8:30 announcement at 9 o'clock. Because even though that announcement comes in at 9 o'clock, a lot of traders still trade at the same time every day. So they still aren't going to enter the market until 9 o'clock.
Oh yeah, a lot of people they wait for news to come out and then they hop into their markets. It's like they treat it like a job, 9 to 5, right?
Exactly.
Airbus CEO says the CEO are on track to produce 60 A320s this year. Airbus 320s.
That's an airplane?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Ooh, Ripple took off. Thank you.
What's Ripple at?
Ripple just shot to 36 flat.
Nice.
I'm taking it all the way to 37 though.
Damn. What is that? Is that 1,000 point pips or is that 100 pips?
I want to say 1,000.
Yeah, because I don't know currency or not currency.
I don't really.
Crypto's a little different.
Yeah, completely different. I don't know if I think there's even more decimals beyond what we can see that you gotta factor in. But I missed my buy stop. Look down here, man. I missed my buy stop by fucking probably the spread because price clearly entered my limit.
Yeah, you got Hugo's way, eh? Would you? Okay.
I missed my spread by probably like half an inch.
That sucks.
That would have been Sweet entry though. When I woke up and I looked at it, I was like, "Oh shit, my entry got triggered." Sweet. And I looked at it and it was still pending. I'm like, "Fuck." I thought I
Motherfucker.
was activated.
Yeah. That's a fun. Is that what you do when you wake up too? Is that the first thing you do? You pull up MetaTrader on your phone, take a look at your positions.
Hell yeah. Man, believe it or not, if I'm in a trade that I'm weary about before I go to sleep, I'll sleep with one eye open and my phone right next to my eye.
Oh yeah, my phone's like right beside me. It's like max volume, ready to.
Right, I just want to see red or green when I peek my eye open. I mean, red or blue.
That's it.
If I see red, then I probably won't be able to go back to sleep. But if I'm blue, I'll sleep like a baby.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's such a good feeling to see blue, and then it's like, okay, I can go back to bed now. But if you see red, you're like, fuck.
Right. You're
Oh,
like,
fuck. Shit. Yeah. You should probably switch
damn,
to
that
these.
cat went ham. Cat fucked me. Major.
Nah.
I think that's the stop punt, though. That's going to end at 9.
Where's your stop loss at on that?
Oh, it already hit it.
Oh, it hit it. Okay, you have a sell. That's why I see it right
Yeah,
there. That's
I had
why.
another sell limit up there right behind my stop in case it got hit. I'd still be.
Ah, shit.
I wanted to make sure I got in at the peak. I had my stop here. This stop that just got hit, I had it right above the high, which was like right here. So I got stopped out, and then as soon as I got stopped out, my new pending got activated.
Well, she's coming right up to the 50% fib right now. So,
I think she's still gonna fall. I think it's just gonna take that 9 o'clock volume to come in. I'm gonna enter right at 9 o'clock for another sell.
Another good entry for that would be around 33,500. That's a beautiful spot for an entry. 33,550.
That's exactly where I'm finna enter. I'm finna enter right at the when this hour opens, I'm in because I feel like I'm gonna fall right off. So I got
stop
like,
loss.
10 seconds.
Oh, you have your stop loss at 33,550. Damn.
Yeah, for that pending order, I did. Yep.
Oh, okay.
For this one, I'm gonna put my stop at like 580.
Beautiful. That's perfect.
Then I'm gonna enter right
that's
hour change.
580. That's only
about 3-4 pips.
I'm doing the math in my head. I'm like, what? Oh shit! And you like to play stops, eh? On the US CAD.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. I'd like to say I'm with you on that, but my Heiken Ashi candlesticks just switched over to green on the next candlestick here at the open, so I'm gonna hold off and not get in.
You're gonna hold off on the cat?
Yeah, my Heiken Ashi's switched over to green on me, so I won't trade against the trend if my candlesticks have to line up with my trade direction. It's part of my rules.
Understood.
And guys, whoever's watching, if your own analysis doesn't line up with another trader's or like ours or anyone else's, follow your own guidelines, your own rules, and that'll make you a successful trader. Just because someone takes it doesn't mean you have to take it as well. You got to follow your own gut and your own plan. Man, I'm getting booked up for daycare. Damn it. April 22nd, my cousin's heading out of town, I think it's Easter Monday. I don't know. She says she's at work, wants me to babysit, but is Easter Monday, is that not a holiday?
Easter is Sunday. Yeah, Sunday.
Sunday. So in Canada, isn't that like a non-work day? I don't even know. I stopped paying attention to holidays. I don't care.
I'm off.
I'm off, exactly. I work it whether it's a holiday or not, but except Christmas. I won't work Christmas.
Right. Market's closed.
Exactly. Well, that last December and last 2 to 3 weeks of December, I won't trade. And the first 2 weeks of January, I will not trade. That's a 5 week, 4 to 5 week window there where off limits. It's I've gotten really I've gotten shit in the past, and you know what? It's part of my rules. I don't trade over the holidays like that.
That makes sense.
Everything's too unpredictable. It's I don't know. For me, I've had bad luck with it, so I stay out.
All right, how we looking over there on the UK? All right, UCAT's coming down. Look at that pin.
On the UCAD, yeah, I see the pin there. I'm on the 2 hour chart, but let's zoom in here on the 30. 30, yeah, she's coming down a bit there.
Look at that 30-minute on. Look at this UJ on this hour. That last hour doji. So that indecision. Indecision plus that bad data, or that low number data.
Indecision plus low number data. Yeah, look at that, eh?
Here's that 30 minutes that we saw that was crashing that trend line. You stalling out down there. Pound is at its low of the session. Aussie Jappy still falling. Aussie New Zealand. This Aussie New Zealand should really hit and fall when this New Zealand USD pulls up. Okay, now since it's not 9:30 yet, and we're still in that 9 to 10 o'clock hour window, I believe we'll see this next shift at 9:30.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely. Well, while we're waiting for that, was there anything you wanted to talk about or educate? Did you want to mark up a chart maybe and just go over how you mark up a chart with everyone?
Oh yeah, let's look at which one do we want to look at? Let's look at.
Let's pull up a yen pair. Let's go with New Zealand JPY random.
Ooh, yeah, let's look at that one. New Zealand Jappy. Let me move my stop real quick so I don't get clipped. Alright. Just adjusting my stops real quick.
Oh, good man. Were you gonna? I think you were talking about connecting your account direct to TradingView. Have you?
Yeah, with Oanda.
Yeah, have you looked into it or have you done it yet?
No, I haven't done it yet. I went ahead and I got my account and everything verified with Oanda, but I haven't plugged it in or deposited and made the connection yet.
Oh, okay. For everyone that's in the CAD, JPY, Euro, NZD trades I called out, they're starting to move nicely and pretty heavily in profits. Well, I got big lots, so it's hard to tell. Hold on. let me pull up some pips here and see. CAD, JPY. Oh yeah, look at that go. 83,779 was the entry. Nice entry, 779. Beautiful. And she's currently at, where's the current price? Currently at 50 pips in profit on CAD JPY. Beautiful. And Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand entry was 67.103.
On Euro New Zealand. 103. Okay.
And she's currently sitting at 35 pips in profit, 34 pips.
Yeah, that's a nice entry there.
Yeah. Yeah, there was a nice double top on the 30-minute chart. However, I did call that trade yesterday. She pushed up a bit. I got another entry this morning at when I seen that double top. I was like, "Ooh, beautiful," and slapped another trade in. Shit. Joys of being a trader, eh?
Right.
Oh, your pound's tanking out a bit there.
Yeah, pound tanked out. Just stopped me out.
Oh. My buddy just got in on a USD CAD trade on a buy.
Say that again.
My buddy just picked up a USD CAD trade on a buy.
You went long on it?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, it just pushed up again.
All right, who's texting me? Euro JPY, I got an alert. My Heiken Ashley's crossed over, and she is tanking out. Holy shit, look at her go. Wow.
Who you looking at?
Euro JPY, my Heiken Ashley candlesticks have switched over to bearish, and she's tanking out.
Oh, yeah, I see that. So is Aussie JPY.
Aussie JPY, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful.
USD JPY tanking out too.
It's what I like. I said I like it like that.
Yeah, Aussie JPY tanking out hard. New Zealand JPY tanking too. USD CHF is holding up.
Everything is starting to move. All right, I'm just gonna pull up Telegram here. Guys, if anyone's listening to us.
I just re-entered long again on that pound again. I put another 3 pip stop, so we'll see how it plays out.
You went long on the pound?
Yeah, I just went long again on the pound. And
what's your stop at?
my stop is
below the daily pivot, or?
Right at, what is this, 3063?
3063, yeah, below the daily pivot.
And I'm actually going to enter another short on that CAD. At my stop on the CAD is at 336. 3364 for my stop on the CAD to come back to this other side of the range.
USD CAD. I have my old PC up on the other side of my monitors, right? And I have some old trending indicators on there. So I pop over from time to time, take a look, see what they're saying, give me an overall direction of what the pairs are doing. USD CAD on the 30-minute chart, she's trending up right now. On the hour chart, bullish. 4-hour chart, bullish. And daily chart is mixed. 15 bullish, 5 is bullish, and 1 minute is mixed. Weekly is kind of mixed. So I wish you the best on your USD CAD trade, but we'll see what happens there.
Right.
Why did you take that USD CAD trade?
Because I know oil's still finna shoot up when OPEC speaks. So I know that's going to reverse that UCAD, plus it's in level 3 of the cycle to the upside. I can see
OPEC.
that here on the hour.
Yeah.
So that's just really a stop hunt to the high on CAD.
Hey, go back to how you just had your candlesticks because that was really cool. Blacked out like that. I like that.
Zoomed all the way out. Now when I'm zoomed
Yeah.
all the way out here, you can see little green little slashes in here, and those are dojis.
Oh, those are dojis?
Yeah, the little green little highlights you can kind of see.
Oh, you highlight all the dojis. Okay. Nice.
But here on for example, here on this 4-hour chart, I can see this swing here from swing low to swing high right here.
Yeah.
There's a gap right in there. I'll show you
Where?
like that too. It's right.
I see the gap at the bottom right here. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, right here. So that right there is my point of interest. Considering that we peaked, this was a confirmed high, then we know that this is now a reversal area. This is this here down here, TP1 is the new higher low. Well, hold on. Right in here. So now since we no longer need this swing, I can take that away, and now I can place my swing here, and we're at the 50%.
Okay.
So that I saw a stop hunt, and now that's why I entered that sell again.
Okay, interesting, cool.
And here on the daily, we can see that we have a double top. Let me cancel double top right in there. And we can start up. We can see a trend beginning here, which will probably be easier to see on the 4-hour. Right here, yeah. And then we also have
do you see that that wedging channel or that bearish wedge right there?
right here.
Yeah. She's wedging down.
Yep. So I believe whenever that news announcement comes out for that oil, you might see that hike and change again.
Yeah. Oh, excuse me. I'll be back in just a minute. I'm just gonna go make another coffee.
Okay, good deal. Excuse me. Cut it out. But I don't want to.
But I don't want to. Oh, shit. All right. Um, the hell? Where's my TV? So yeah, we went through news. We went through movers for the day. Are you here? Hello? Oh, you must have gone and got a coffee too. Well, hello everybody. I hope y'all got in some nice trades. Everything's moving nice. Haha, he's back. Can you hear me? Nobody can hear me. Okay. Hello, testing. Hello? Hello? Testing? That's weird. Can you hear me, man? Hello, hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello. Oh, maybe his headset's mic'd, muted. Damn, look at that dollar go up, shoot up. No, yeah. So dollar index is shooting up. 97.20 it's sitting at now. Dow Jones is pushing down 26,150. It's waiting for the 9:30 bell. It's going to be coming out in 9 minutes, actually 8 minutes and 57 seconds to be exact. Let's see what's gold doing here. Gold is pretty stagnant, actually. Looks like it's trying to push up a little bit, but it's not really moving a whole lot. Down 55 cents on the day. We got oil. Let's take a look at oil here. Oil's sitting right at the weekly resistance level here at the 64,200, struggling to pass it. If we get some positive oil releases at 10:30, in another hour and 8 minutes, that should push oil up, which would then push USD CAD down and put John's trade valid. US Jappy, let's see what's she doing. She's kind of ranging right now. She's pushing down a bit. I'm still, I'm not in that trade at the moment. I'm waiting for it to break down to 110.909 level. Let me see if I can share my screen. I can't share my screen. Other participants is sharing. Okay. Very, very well. So 110.900 is where I have a sell stop in place. For that, I'm waiting for it to break down before it might see it today. I don't think it'll happen today. It might happen tomorrow, but it's coming into play shortly. Euro USD. Whenever for stop losses and that, I normally use about a 20 to 30 pip stop, and then I find another area of support below or resistance above as my TP. So for a TP, I have it 90 pips, and it's at 110 for UJ, and stop loss will be at 111, 116 for 20 pips. Euro USD, I'm waiting for a buy stop on that. Currently, it just bounced off the monthly trend at, let's see, what is that, 112, 390, 380, 350 level. I have a buy stop set at 12,950, and I have a target for 50 pips up at 13,474. Stop loss is 30 pips below that. Entry of 1295 at 12650. It's I have it in a, if you zoom out onto a 4-hour chart, you can see it. It's in a nice trend down. It's actually in a nice channel trending down. So I want to take it for a nice little scalp to the upside, and then take it for a sell off that trend line that's, or that channel that's going down, and trade it going down again. Let's look at the pound USD. Pound USD was a nice little trade. Nice for a buy. 130610. Nice take profit for that is at 1.33 at a weekly resistance level. Stop loss, you can place that right below for, let's see, what is that, 20, 30 pips. Zoom out here. 25 pips, yeah, there we go, for at 1,303.70. That's a nice stop loss. Still a fairly valid area for an entry, but again, this is a more of a swing trade on the 4-hour chart for 235 pips for a 9-to-1 risk reward ratio, 9.4 to be exact. Now let's look at USD CHF. USD CHF, I was in on a sell on that. She broke out and she's gone up. So there's negative 20 pips on that. I'll reassess that. Let's see here. Nice little channel there, actually. USD CHF. Let's see, there we go, just like that. I know you guys can't see my screen, but you'll have to live with it. I'll have to show you guys later. Right now, unless she comes back to the daily support at $1, I wouldn't touch it. She's bullish right now on the 4-hour charts. Yeah, so I'd look for another re-entry at the $1 mark for a buy. You could take it off a sell around, let's see, let me throw in a fib and see. Fib. There we go. Now, you could take a bounce off the 61.8 fib at 1.0036 for a sell to the downside, just a short scalp, because it's hard to trade against the trends. Always trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. I won't be taking any positions against the trend like that. I will be waiting for it to come either back down to this weekly support level at $1 or it to bounce off the trend line going up on the 4-hour and take another position off that. Let's take a look here at the Aussie dollar. I'm waiting for a sell limit up at 71876. I have a channel drawn on the 4-hour chart, and I'm waiting for it to bounce off the channel and come back down. Again, trend is your friend. I'll be taking that down to the 70100 level. I have a stop in place 30 pips above my entry, so that would put the stop at 72183. Hey, John, how's it going? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I swear I didn't do anything to my mic. I can hear you in the background. My Yeti's going, yeah, it's on my Meta Yeti, okay. Test speaker and microphone. I do hear a ringtone, yes. Speak and pause. Do you hear a replay? Yes. Huh, okay, cool. Well, it's working on my end. How do you change to John? Okay, there we go. Bum ba da ba da bum ba. Ba-dum ba da ba da bum boom boom. Ba-dum ba da ba da bum ba. Ba-dum ba da ba da bum. Okay, so let's see New Zealand USD. I got in on a sell way up at the 69 area there, bouncing off a monthly trend line. Took that all the way down. It's now below my daily support, and I'm going to be taking that down to the 66 level. 66, yeah, there it is. Okay, down to the 66. If you're looking for an entry off that, let me see here. Let's see. Zoom into the 2-hour chart, taking a look here, see what I can see here. Trying to find a trade. You know, it's sitting right at that daily support, so you could take a nice, let's see here. If you got in, bounced off the daily, you could put a stop 20 pips above at 67,700. Yeah, it's a nice area for a stop if it bounces off the daily support, and then you can take it all the way down. The daily support is at 67,488. And it's also at the just above the daily pivot level. So 67,488 daily support. Nice spot for an entry. Stop loss at 167,700. Nice stop loss there for 21 pips. And take profit is way down at 66. 66, there we go, for 150 pips. 48 actually. USD CAD, let's see, what do we see on USD CAD? John's been analyzing that pretty good, but I know, look at her, she's starting to come back down. Excellent. She's gonna have some struggle to pass. I have some daily support here sitting at current per market price right now. So at the 3345 level. So she might bounce off that. I'm not sure. I'm a little biased on it. He's short. My candles, my Heiken Ashi candlesticks have just turned green, so I'm biased on it. My one of my rules are not to trade opposite candlestick colors, so I'm not in it. Euro JPY has tanked out. Let's see. She's in a nice channel. I'm taking that all the way down to, let's see, where am I taking that down to? Yeah, right down to the 23.3 level. I have a weekly support drawn out there, and that's where I'm going to be taking that down to. I have a nice channel drawn on the Euro JPY on the 2-hour chart, and she's pushing down right now. For an entry on it, you could look to get in around 190, 124.97 or 125 level, I guess, psych level. And you could set a stop. Well, that psych level should hold actually pretty well, so I'd put it at maybe 15, 20 pips above that. At 25.23 roughly, give or take, 25.23, and taking that to right down to 23.333 level. Sorry, I sound a little horsey in my voice there. It's I need more coffee in me, that's what it is, or some water, maybe one of the two. From me to John, hey man, can you hear me? I haven't gotten anything back. I don't see John's screen moving though either, so he might be away from his screen. Hopefully everybody can hear me. I'm going to pull up Telegram. Can anybody, if anyone's around, can you guys send a message in the Telegram chat? Let me know if anyone can hear me. Because I would like to not talk for nothing. Pound Jappy, I have a sell stop in place at what is it here? 144.761, and I have a stop loss at 145.219. I can hear you. I'm stuck on John's screen though. Yeah. Okay. At least you guys can hear me. Yeah, John's screen. I can't. I was trying to access the screen, but it's not. It says you cannot start screen share while other participant is sharing. So I'm kind of locked out right now. Video. Let's see. Play your video. Yeah, it's on YouTube. Yeah. All right. This on Friday, where me and John are going to be going over some stuff and working on a way so both our screens will be sharing at the same time, and that way you guys can see us both and or see both of our screens, and that way if one of us takes off, you guys will be able to hear us. Is there anything that anybody wants me to okay, yeah, you're not tripping, man. Is there anything anybody wants me to take a look at for them? That's my watch list. I have the DXY up, the US 30 up, XAU USD gold, WTI COU USD as per trading view. I have as oil up on my screen on my watch list. I got UJ up on my watch list, Euro USD, Pound USD, USD CHF, AUD USD, New Zealand USD. I got the majors up. USD CAD. I got Euro Jappy and Pound Jappy up on my watch list. Those are my main pairs that I watch daily. I do venture off into other pairs like the CAD Jappy, Euro New Zealand, Euro AUD. I take a look at mostly a little bit of everything, but my majors I keep up on my watch list and I keep on top of them. 53 minutes for crude oil stock change to come out. Let's see. Yeah, something might have come up there. John had to take off. I don't know. He never sent me a message or anything, so we'll see what's going on with him. I'll give him a shout after, find out. Let's do this here. Hold on. Oh, you back, John? No. Okay, hold on a sec, guys. I'll pull up my copy joining info. All right. If you guys want to hop on, I have until John gets back. We can use Google Hangouts there, and you can hop on with me. If you have any questions, you can ask me live. Let's see here. Okay, what else is there on to talk about with you guys? Oh, I heard somebody. I heard something. Or am I just tripping? I might be just tripping. I'm always tripping. I downloaded Google Hangouts now. Cool, sweet deal. Yeah, just access, click on the link and come on in. Don't need that one up. Okay. Economic calendar, settlements. Let's see what we got. Let's go must read here. Opening news. I think I already went through this with everybody, but yeah. 9:39. Ooh, I just realized the U.S. market is open. Excellent. I like that. Taking a look at the components again, see what they got here. Performance. They're green right now, but strong sell, strong sell. All right, let's pull up, what do I want? What do I want? Yeah, news. Okay, let's see what we got for news here. Wall Street set to open slightly higher. Focus just as Fed minutes. That was out a while ago. 22 minutes. Oh, 22 minutes ago. Okay, it's not bad. Yeah, they're still pushing down though. It's kind of ranging at the moment in this between 26,200 on the Dow Jones and 26,130. Admit, there you go. Hey man, what's going on? Can you hear me all right? Present now. Let's present my entire screen. Screen 2, share. Hey, what's going on? Can you hear me all right? Yeah, cool. Cool beans. All right. So let's see here. I'm just taking a look at seeing what's some news. Let's see. The S&P ended its 8-day rally on Tuesday after U.S. President Donald Trump threatened to impose tariffs on $11 billion worth of European goods, opening a new front on his global trade war. See, that was the trouble with Germany in the war. They were fighting on too many fronts. If they wouldn't have been fighting on so many fronts, they would have had a good chance to win. And that's what Trump is doing. He's got too many fronts going now, and it's all going to come back and backlash him and smack him in the face and shit on him. What's this? U.S. Central Bank will release minutes from its March meeting at 2 p.m. Okay. We've already gone over that. Crunch, let's see what we got. Any new news? Not really a whole lot. So in the morning, before we start trading, before I even pull up my charts, first thing I do, I pull up my economic calendar for the day, whether it's Forex Factory, my FX book, or investing.com. You can pull up the economic calendar here. It's right under tools, economic calendar right there. And you can get everything on either site. FX book has been pretty good lately. They're quick. Everything comes out. I don't know why, but Forex Factory has been lagging. So I check out the highlights for the day. What releases are going to be affecting? What's high? What I got to watch out for? Next, I go over to investing.com. I find out what the top 5 things are to look for in the market. I had it up. It was, where is it? Maybe one page back. One page back. One more. Oh, maybe another one. It's somewhere back here. I know it is. Anyways, you look for the top 5 things to know in the market. Well, whatever. Anyways, news. You'll find it in here. Normally it's up at the top, but since all the news is coming out now, look for the top 5 things in the market. If you can't find it, top 5 things to know in the market. There we go. Market on Tuesday. Top 5 things to know on Wednesday. There we go. 3 hours ago. So if you can't find it, just type it in. Gives you a nice briefing on what to look out for the day, on 5 key points. And you can watch out for that. Write that down in your notes. I like to write everything down. After I find out what that's doing, I like to take a look over at the Dow Jones. I like trading the Dow. The Dow is my baby. I trade her steady. So I head over to the Dow. I take a look at its components, and these are all the stocks that encompass the Dow Jones. That's in the top 30 or the 30 trades companies. Next, I look over at the performance, and I want to see how they're all doing. Right now, it's positive, pretty positive, so it should be pushing it up a little bit. I want it to go down. However, I'm bearish on the Dow Jones today. The Dow Jones is something I trade a little bit differently than currencies and everything. Currencies I'll swing trade, opposed to Dow, where the Dow Jones I'm in and out within an hour, half hour. I'm not in the trades very long. I'm out before noon normally, unless something comes up where I'm holding a little longer. But I will not hold overnight on the Dow. I will be eat. Oh, you're eating right now. Okay, cool. But I will not hold the Dow Jones overnight, just because there's a lot that can happen. So I always close out whether I'm in profit or it's a loss at 4:30 every day. So after I pull up investing.com, I go over to Forex Source. I have this is through Jarrett Davis. He has a I don't know what you want to call it, not a program, but a service that he offers. I had to make an herbal run. Be right back. All right, cool. Cool beans, man. Yeah, so I check out what's must reads. I read through the news on here. There's a ton of news that comes out. What they do, I'll run trades running blue as fuck. Right on. What Forex Source and Jarrett's team does is they take information from all sources around. They got everywhere. They got routers, they got Bloomberg, they got all the top sources, and anything that's going to be affecting the market, they're going to slap in here. And it's phenomenal the amount of information they put in. It's you can get live audio squawks. I'm not trying to sell up Forexsaurus. I don't have an affiliate or anything with them. I actually I do love them. They're pretty awesome. You can activate their audio squawk, and then it buzzes in your ear if you have a headset. And anytime a new release is coming out, you want to hear them talk to you. So I'll read all the news up here. After that, I pull up my Telegram, get my Telegram ready for you guys. And next I'll go through my charts. So I probably take a look at I start out on the daily chart. I want to see what I get an overall picture on the day. What are you guys in? So get an overall picture on the day. She's, time for breakfast soon. I see I do have some green candlesticks, some Heikin-Ashi green candlesticks up. However, she is bearish on the day. I still think this pattern is going to come into play, this M, and push down. So bearish on the DXY. We had some negative news. Higher open awaits Fed minutes. Germany's tough stance on 5G security, positive step forward. Okay, that's positive. British submarine yard evacuated, but no nuclear incident. Okay. Not so good, but good as well. Forging a closer knit wine community through investing. Uber plans to sell around 10 billion worth of IPOs. Ooh, excellent. You don't have to get some of that. Rising gasoline rents boost U.S. consumer prices in March. Must avoid escalating EU-U.S. trade disputes. France proposed new growth contract to Eurozone partners. I'm only in the Euro-New Zealand swing. Good job. John Conley. AUD, buy. Nice. Standard lots too, damn. Attaboy. How you liking that New Zealand swing, Tia? Or that Euro-New Zealand swing. I don't know if anybody can actually still hear me, if anybody's left on the call. But I'm still going to talk until 10 o'clock. So, yeah. Is anybody... Oh, yeah, you're still here, Fields. Cool. Admits. There you go. Hello, Tia. How's it going? Okay, so yeah, next I'll look at the Dow, see what the Dow. Ooh, look at that. She's starting to drop nice. Beautiful. That's what I like. I'm watching over on the side here as she's dropping. I got in over at the daily pivot. Reason for this trade was I had a lot of bearish indications to take the trade. I also had a pin bar up here, or sorry, a evening star, I should say. And she's breaking out to the downside. Below my 50 MA, sorry, 100 MA. Now she's crashing through my 50 MA. She's trending down. I believed it to continue its trend down. I had got in I kind of got to adjust that a little bit, right? I got in right below the daily pivot, right around here. After this bar closed, I saw it was below the daily pivot, so I hopped in the trade. And she's going down very nice. Excellent. I have my take profit set at the weekly support. Why? It's tested it 3 times over here in the previous session. And I don't know if it's going to break it, so I'm just going to take my money and run that once she hits. UCAD, Alvin's in UCAD, Lawrence is in GU. Nice. So I'll move on to the US dollar. So the way I work my morning is I go through my news first. Next, I start at the top of my list and I work all the way down, and I just get an overall direction for the day. I just want to see what they're doing. I don't draw on them. I don't mark them up. I just want to get an idea of where it's going. Gold, she's actually broke through the 1305 level past the daily resistance support. I don't know. She kind of broke it there on the 19th. So she's pushing up. It's actually a nice entry for a trade if anybody were to enter that. I don't trade gold I don't trade gold really a whole lot. I do from time to time, but not a whole lot. Mostly just use it as indications. Ooh, that's a big stop. Yeah, you could put a tight stop right below the candle if you wanted to. Yeah, I'm staying out of the gold. I'm not gonna give you guys an idea for it. Although if you guys see that wedge right there, if I draw this right down to here, could look to see the gold kind of just wedge down here and then look for a breakout. That might take till May for that to happen. So you could see it kind of just range in this 1310 to 1292 range area. So you still have some room for pips to get in there, but that's yeah. If you want to break that down further, you can. Let's see. Oil. Let's see what oil is doing. Ooh, she's sitting right at 64,200, just above it. 64,292 level. Okay. Why is this up? I don't want that up. Let's just refresh my charts here. Sometimes it sticks up and I don't know why, and I can't get rid of it. Okay. Yeah, she's still pushing up nice. So that should in turn, if that's it's a she's right at that weekly resistance. That's good for John. If it holds above that weekly resistance right there, that's really good for that USD CAD trade, guys. That'll definitely push that USD CAD down. Oh, I don't know what that was. Okay. USD CAD. Gold, oil. Okay, there we go. So that's oil's bullish. I see that bullish on the week. We got some crude oil inventories in 34 minutes. Oil stock change. USD JAPI. Let's see what we got there. Nice top. Now let's zoom back in here. Ooh, I don't like 30-minute nearly as much as the 4-hour chart. Oh, that's better. That feels better. Okay. I don't know if anybody's seen this head and shoulders. Head, shoulder, shoulder. A nice drop. So I have a sell limit right up here. If she comes back to the touch this price up here at 111,300, I believe it is. Yeah, 111,300. And then to follow the pattern for a head and shoulders, take it down, take profit would be roughly about here, 110,800. However, if it continues to drop, I do have a sell stop in place at 110,900. Stop 20 pips above in this little area of confluence. Consolidation, I should say, and I'm taking that right down to the daily support for 90 pips for a 4.38 risk reward ratio. That's the daily support is at 110. Okay, cool. Euro USD. She's tanking out. She hasn't hit my buy stop yet. But she's overall bearish, and that's good for our trades we're in right now for our Euro NZ, Euro New Zealand trade. So that's good. I don't care if it doesn't hit. It's just it'll come into a play another day. So if that comes, oh fuck, what I do? Damn it. Yeah, somewhere around there. Yeah, somewhere around there. I'm not too concerned about this one. I have it on my phone. I'll have to pull it up after and adjust it. But I'm concerned with it touching this weekly trend line and the top of the channel. That's where I want to get in for a nice sell and then take that right down. However, there is some area, there's an area right here that I'm a little concerned with. I may or may not exit that trade come that time if that comes into play. I'll be posting that in the group if that does happen. Yeah, 30 pips. Taking it right down to this month. My red lines are my monthly trend lines. Orange, weekly. Yellow is daily. So monthly trend lines, support, resistance, they are highly and heavily respected, opposed to daily. So I always take those into heavy consideration. I might exit and just get out, wash my hands, clean a bit, and say, piss on it, I'm done. So there's always that. What's this? Sorry. Okay. So let's look at the pound USD. I think you guys are in pound USD too. Yeah. Nice entry right there off the trend. It's bullish trend. Beautiful. I do see an Elliott wave coming into play potentially, taking it right up to the daily resistance. There's a weekly resistance level at the 133 level, so you might have some struggle there. It might be a good place to exit. For target one, you could have a second target up at the 136 level. USD CHF, I think I called that one out yesterday. That one hit stop loss. I'm out. That one I'll let it play out for today and further analyze that in the morning. AUD USD, I'm not touching that for a trade until it hits up at 71876, the top of the trend. It's just range bound right now. I won't touch that. As a swing trader, I wait for the trades. I let the trades come to me. So it might say some days I might get a lot of trades all at once. Some days I might not have nothing. So I let the trades play out and come to me. Let's see here. New Zealand USD, I got in way up here last week. So I'm last week, March 27th. Yeah, right around here. 169. Yeah. Taking that down. I'm riding all the way down to 66.066 right down here. Taking that bitch for a nice ride. USD CAD. Oh, the USD CAD. Well, good luck, John. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. Yeah, she's coming right back down. Oh, he took it for a sell. That's right. My buddy took it for a buy. I think my buddy's getting screwed. I think he had a stop loss at 133.3. I don't know. I'll have to check later. I'm not really sure. Somewhere in this area, I think he said. USD CAD for a sell. That's a nice trade. It's setting up nice. Beautiful. Euro Jappy. Excellent. That's a nice sell there. Now, if you zoom out to the 4-hour chart, I took this trade and I believe I called it. I'm not sure if I did or if I was taking this from last week. I might have called it in the call, but not posted it in the group. Still working on that. Bear with me, guys. Not next week will be more, a lot more trades coming out. However, this has bounced off the nice trend here. I had a support my stop loss up here, and I'm taking that all the way down, right down to the weekly support down at 123.33. Pound Jappy. I know some people like to trade the Pound Jappy. I do as well. I love the Pound Jappy, mostly because she moves like hell. You can make a lot of money off her. Let's see. I have a sell stop right here at 144.860. A stop loss at 145.219. And my take profit is at the bottom of the channel here. We got a bearish channel, and it's pushing down. I'm looking to take that for a take profit at 142.887. You could actually take it down to the daily support at 142.75 for an extra 13 pips, but that's your call. That'll be your call at the time. And I'll push that down just a little bit, 200 pips. And there we have it, guys. That's 10 o'clock. Let's take a look at that Dow Jones real quick before we sign off. Woo, baby, look at that go. I like my money. Let's see. Oh, that's what I like. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, that concludes another profitable day of trading. We're back. I'm not sure if we're going to have a call again tomorrow morning. I'm going to be talking with John afterwards later on today, and we'll post in the group if we'll be having a call in the morning. I think he was saying we're going to be having our calls from Monday to Wednesday. However, we may do an educational session only tomorrow. We'll see, but we'll keep you guys all posted. Hope you guys have a great day, and remember to trade safe, trade within your limit, stay within it, and I'm trying to come up with something, but nice little catchphrase, but I don't know. Know your limit, stay within it. All right, guys, ciao.